Okay, let's look at this one. A company advertises on a website. A worker tracks the number of visits to the website and the number of clicks on the advertisement. The table shows the data for several days. A linear function can be used to model the data. Here's the data. Let's go ahead and put the data into decimals. The table by clicking on the plus sign and table. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to enter in the data. Alright, so let's go ahead and type that in. I'll probably speed this part of the video up. Okay, alright, we now have the data in. Again, they said that this should be a linear function, so let's zoom out and see our data points. There they are. Okay, it is definitely a linear function there. So, based on the table, what is the best prediction of the number of clicks on the advertisement if 1,500 people visit the website? Let's think about it. If we have 153 people visit the website, 14 million clicks. 629 people visit the website, there were 38 million clicks. So we want to see what happens if 1,500 people visit the website. What will be our prediction? All right. First of all, this is a linear function. Well, this is we're going to use a linear regression here. So let's type what a linear function looks like. Y equals to mx plus b. All right. We need to tie this function to this data. So I'm going to let my y be y1. I'm going to put a 1 right here. And I'm going to put an x right there. I mean a 1 behind the x subscript. Now the function is tied. In order to make it a regression, I need to use the tilde. So I'm going to come down here, click on my tilde right there. Once I do that, I get my regression function. As you can see, it's a perfect match. Well, it's not a perfect match, but it is very doggone close. Look at that, 0.9997. That's almost a perfect match. So let's use the m value and the b value and write our function. So y equals to, I'm going to use the m value. I'm tempted to round it, but just for the sake of clarity, I'm just going to use the entire m value, because we don't have to round. If we don't have to, we can just use it. We're going to put an x, and then we're going to do plus. What is the b value? It's 5.53927. All right. So as you can see there, now the red line is a perfect match for the data. See, if I cut off the regression, if I actually cut this off, then you'll see the red line matches it perfectly. I have everything I need. So what I'm going to do to make the prediction is I'm going to take this line and I'm going to convert it to a table. So I'm going to click on the cogwheel here and come down to this line and convert it to a table. And you see I have a blank space here. I can type in 1,500. And when I type in 1,500, it tells me exactly what the prediction is. It's 83.4. So that means that my choice is for this function is probably going to be H. You can't really see J on my screen, but the choice here is definitely H. And that concludes the video.